So guys, I know you're gonna be wondering what is going on. This soap looks so yummy. Which soap is this? I know you can't wait to watch and do yours, right? Hi guys, it's your girl again, Private World. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell below. And also don't forget to share with your friends and family, okay? This video you're seeing, this soap you're seeing here, I call it glutathione whitening soap. This soap is very active. It helps to whitening the skin, glow and flawless. Like if you want to glow your skin, if you want to whitening your skin, and just with soap and oil, only soap, just give this a try. It's very active. Like you see now, this is a we're making it in a large quantity because basically for our customers that resell, and also our outside country customers, most especially my US customer, they really love this soap. Like they prefer this soap more than mulatto soap, so that's why I produce it always. So this soap is very active, and I want to use this opportunity to announce to my outside countries customers, Dubai, Ghana, US and UK, please, if you need anything or you want to buy something, please send in your order now. We have just 3 times to deliver items to outside country, and it will be closed for the year. So please and please and remember, we are on discount, so this is the best time for you to buy, even as a reseller. Like guys, if you don't know what to do, just do this business. It's very good. Buy and resell. A lot of people are making huge money from this. Okay, so do not be a sit-at-home mom or a young girl. Just find something doing. That money you're saving to buy hair and all that, use it to start on something. Okay, gradually, if you will not even believe what's happened, like how far you will go. So just start. The only thing there is that just start it. You see that it will start going. Okay, so please, our outside country customers, please send in your order for now. Okay, thank you. So this soap is very active. I know you'll be wondering what I use for this soap. We use just this super active soap to make this production, which is cleaning clear soap, and this this frozen collagen 2-in-1 soap, whitening, 10 times whitening. So this is the 2 soap we use for this production. Okay, so this soap is very active. If you want to make this production, you don't need to pack all soap and put. Just choose a good soap that you know that is very good for this. Okay, so this soap is very active. It helps to treat dark spots. It helps to whitening up your skin. This is not a brightening soap. It helps to whiten up your skin and glow your skin. Okay, so this is very active. So if you're preparing for this Xmas, you don't have money to go and buy kit, just come and get this soap and oil. You will love your skin. That is why we call it glutathione. Just imagine a soap that our customer outside the country prefer more than mulatto soap that is popular. So that is how amazing this soap is, right? So you can just DM us and get yours. Okay, it's very active. And here I have my white hash ball soap. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the 2 nylon of hash ball soap. Okay guys, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you the recipe you are seeing in this channel is very pure, and it's few people in this channel that YouTube that can tell you the truth and give out some recipes they are using for free. So your way of appreciating me for that is just for you to subscribe. Very simple. They're not going to deduct money for you when you subscribe. Okay, so just help me and subscribe, please. So I'm done putting on the white hash soap. What we are going to be using as our shower gel is this glutathione comprime. This is it, this glutathione comprime. This is very strong whitening shower gel. It's very active. Okay, so I'm going to be using this for this production. Okay, this is it. Then here I have my champ water. Okay, this is for stretch mark or any green vein. So if you're using this and you have stretch mark, it will help you to clear it off. Okay, gradually. So this is the stretch mark or water we're going to put this. So this soap is not going to give you stretch mark or green vein. Okay, so in this place I have my Shalom stretch mark oil. Okay, I'm going to be using this. And here I have my vitamin E oil. Okay, I'm going to be using vitamin E oil. And here I have my Shenic double portion. This is it. I'm going to be using the white one. They have different colors, okay? And here I have my propylene glycol to make the product penetrate to your skin. And here I have my preservative Derma Plus, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add this. I'll be using this measuring cup, this 31 ml, okay? So I'll go ahead and pour in my Shenic double portion. This is it. Okay, so this is my Shenic double portion, okay? I added everything. Guys, this soap is very active. You can give it a try, or you can buy from us and resell. It's also available for resellers, so you can buy from us and resell. So I'll be adding my Shalom stretch mark oil into this. I just added half of it, okay? The next one I have here is my vitamin E oil. So I'm going to add this 31 ml. Okay, so this is a vitamin E oil. Okay, the next one I'm going to add is my shower gel. So I'm adding in my shower gel. This is my shower gel. I'll go ahead and add everything. So I'm going to add my propylene glycol, the same 31 ml, before mixing everything once. So this is my propylene glycol to make the product penetrate into your skin, okay? This is it. This is my propylene glycol 31 ml, right? So I'll go ahead and add my charming water. I'll add the same 31 ml too. This helps a lot for stretch mark. I'll go ahead and add my preservative, the same 31 ml. Okay, I'll add my Derma Plus preservative 31 ml too, okay? So after you might add everything, you go ahead and mix this up. So guys, this is how our soap looks like after mixing it. I noticed that this shower gel changed the color of this soap, but I don't have choice then. So this soap is very active. This is how it will always look like because of the shower gel. So if you don't like the way it looks, you can, you know, change the shower gel. You understand? You can use any shower gel of your choice. So this is how this soap look like. Guys, this soap is very active. Very, like, you can use this soap alone on your body. You can use it for fast and best results. Use it with our whitening oil. This soap is very active, okay? So this soap is available in 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, 1.5 kg. So you can come and buy and resell. This soap is very active. Like I said, you don't even need cream while using this soap. It's very active. No matter how stubborn your skin is, this soap will help you, you know, to whitening up your skin and glow your skin. Okay, so this is very active. The reason why I did not put fragrance here, because it has a nice fragrance. So if you don't like this fragrance, you can put fragrance. And again, the reason why I did not put whitening serums inside here, because this soap alone is active. Just for that was this thing concentrate I put, but the soap is very active. So that's why I don't go and be buying serums. It's kind of wasting the serum and also making the soap too harsh on the skin. So this is the soap. This is how it look like. Very active. Okay, so you can send us a DM. We are on promo. Okay, you can send us a DM. We deliver worldwide: US, Ghana, Dubai, Canada, anywhere we deliver worldwide. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video, and if you find this video very interesting, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell below, so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. Guys, you need to try this soap. It's very active. Okay, very active. Trust me when I say so. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.